He wanted. How about today? How do we say hello to Basti? What will we do, Basti? What's your action? He's breaking into a jump! Jumping! Yes! You want to stand up? Basti wants everybody to jump! With Basti!
Hold on.
Time to jump to Basti! Our time to jump to Basti! It's our time to jump to Basti! Jump, hello, and stop! Yes, stop. Very good. Actually, how about Alian? How do we say hello to Alian? Good thing Alian is already well. She was sick last week. You like to wave?
Hello.
Or you're eating your feet?
Say hi.
What are Don't! What do you like? Sure you want to? Let's wave too.
Wave.
Can we wave up high or do we high and
Basti,
low?
hi.
Last week, high and low.